Hi everyone, starting down by the Curry House Indian Tandoori today. Got Hotel Helios there as well, just in the background. As well as the Blackpool Country Ribs and Uncle Ped's just down there. Then in the background right there is Hotel Ambassador. At least starting the video off with a joke today. I did actually forget to get some for the video, so I apologise for that, guys. If you do have any jokes though, comment them down below. Put your name with the joke as well, so when I read it out I can give you a shout out. Anyway, back to the video. Hotel Presidente there as well, and the beautiful brand new Hotel Arcos Gold. Then just in the background, if you can see that right there, is Hotel Don Pancho. Another nice hotel. Yeah, Arcos Gold's finished. No, they ain't. Eh? There isn't scaffolding on it. I think what you're seeing is the roof of Jokers. The red thing sticking up. That's a sign for Jokers. Anyway, before I was interrupted, Hotel Presidente now advertising the restaurant, saloon, bar, Philippines 10, etc. Morgan's Tavern, places like that. Some very good bars here in Benidorm, actually. Brilliant for your entertainment. And anyway, I do have a tip for Morgan's Tavern if you are wanting to go drinking in there. Make sure you get in early so you can guarantee to get a table, because it does get really busy in there. And I know in this show they make it look like a big bar, lots of room in there, but sadly it really isn't, guys. It really isn't. Up the side of the Helios now, and that does look a glorious hotel, that. Always liked the Helios. It looks proper nice, proper good hotel. And apparently the swimming pool is quite special. Let me tell you how that works, guys. So basically the swimming pool, it uses a system where basically people controlling that system can pretty much choose the depth they want for the swimming pool. They can have it be deep or shallow. So pretty good, really, isn't it? Hotel Pueblo there. Just there over on that corner is the Venus. You do also have bar, mini golf, Florida, which I believe there might be a reopening soon for that. I'm not too sure, I have seen them a few times and they're cleaning up, so fingers crossed they do reopen soon. Would be nice to see that. Anyway guys, feel free to let me know if there is anywhere you went and filmed. It'll be a pleasure to do it, but I am just gonna say this. I'm not begging or anything, but if there is somewhere you went film, maybe just pop a couple quid in my PayPal, because I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it is getting hot. The heat is starting to get quite unbearable, making us all tired, so I mean, we are needing to get a drink when we're out. I mean, I know the other day, me and Mike were out, and we basically ended up having 2 drinks each. Like a drink when we started the day, and a drink before we went home for the day, because it was so hot. I mean, I can guarantee you temperatures are probably easily reaching 38, maybe even higher than that. But then again, people will probably say I'm bullshitting. But I mean, you just gotta go with the flow, guys. Stay happy, keep a smile on your face, and make the most of what you got in life. Anyway, got the market there. I believe this market's moved now, it's... Hasn't it? What, so this market here is still on, still same place, same date, same time. Market I'm thinking of is the Spanish market, which is up by the Fuentes and Benidorm football stadium up in the Spanish end. That's now been moved to round by the Bullwing, I believe, on the Wednesday. Have to go have a look at what... Can't even talk. Pop my teeth back in. That's now been moved up to the Bullwing, each Wednesday and Sunday, I believe. Gonna have to go have a look at that one. Apparently afterwards there's quite a lot of fruit put out that they haven't sold that day, so worth a look. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe, tick the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Stay pissed. Hope you all have a nice week. Love you all. Adios.